Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a hidden directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create a hidden directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, type mkdir dot and the directory name mydir. Now hit enter. The directory has been created, and now ls command to show. Look, the directory is not showing here. Now I am going to show the hidden directory. ls hyphen la. Look, this is the directory mydir, and you will find a dot here. That means the directory is hidden. This is the easiest way to create hidden directory in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.